I get a lot of questions about how the activation button works, so let me show you what you do. After you've downloaded the program and you open it, you get to this Beyond Labs client. You click on the License button and enter the activation code that your school gave you or that you've purchased. You can just enter it into this box. I just made up this code, Beyond Labs 2020. And then you just click Submit Activation Code. And that's it. Nothing pops up to tell you that you've done anything correctly. You just get a license code generated down here with a date sometime in the future. So this is my code. Nobody else in the world can use it. And this date is in the future, more than 2 days in the future, so you're good to go. You can just go into your labs, download them, open them, and use them. That's it. Hope that helps.